Magandang buhay, everyone. Blessed be God forever. Do you want to learn something about ethics? Today, we will deal with that, especially to the what we say, Themistic ethics. But before that, let us know first the one who is beyond of these ethics, no other than Saint Thomas Aquinas. Let's go. Sino nga ba si St. Thomas Aquinas? Or who is really St. Thomas Aquinas? It says that he was a Catholic priest in the Dominican order and one of the most important medieval philosopher and theologians. He was born on January 28, 1225 in Roccasecca, Kingdom of Sicily, Italy. And another thing about him is that he is the youngest among the 8 siblings. And another thing is that he was described as a cutie child. Now we're done about the St. Thomas Aquinas background. Let's proceed to our main topic about ano nga ba ang domestic ethics? Do you have an idea? If you don't have idea about it, let us deepen your understanding. Let's go! Okay, when we say domestic ethics, it is a philosophical movement based on the writings of St. Thomas Aquinas. It holds that it is important or necessary to observe both circumstances and intention to determine an actions and moral values. Also, it is a morality that aims above all at the perfection of the heart and mind through a wisdom and a love that enliven the other virtues. Do you want some more? Let's proceed. Also, domestic ethics, giving focus on moral principles or philosophy, natural law, and ethical principles derived from St. Thomas Aquinas' teachings. Siyempre, hindi tayo nagtatapos dyan. Let us add some more. Sinasabi na si St. Thomas Aquinas depends so heavily on Aristotle. Believes that all actions are directed towards ends and the happiness is the final end. He also thinks that happiness is not equated with pleasure, material possessions, honor, or any sensual good, but consists and activities in accordance with virtue. A person needs a moral character cultivated through the habits of choice to realize real happiness. Aquinas declares that this ultimate happiness is not attainable in this life, for happiness in the present life remains imperfect. True happiness, then, is to be found only in the souls of the blessed in heaven or in beatitude with God. So, are we clear, everyone? But before we end this video, please let me add something about the 4 types of law. They are the eternal, the natural, the human, and the divine law. Are we clear, everyone? I hope na may natutunan kayo sa akin. Once again, I am Mr. Villardo Waypas. Blessed be God forever and mabuhay. Thank you so much for listening.